Actually a broken door mirror. As you can see, the whole assembly in this case is going to need to be changed. It's a common issue, always happens. I'm going to go ahead and pop this little cover off. And then once you get that off, you have 4 bolts here. Twisting it off, carefully take this off, the connector, and then hold this up. Once you pop off that connector, the mirror is off. Here's the new part with the part number on there as well. And here's the new mirror. 13 millimeter. Make sure they're on tight. I already got mine, but making sure they're tight. This mirror is 2,480, so you want to definitely make sure that's on there tight. It doesn't come with a backing part from ordered from Rush Trucks, but didn't come from with a backing on the mirror, so you have to get that separate. Here's the new cover for the back of the new mirror, part number. It comes separate from the whole door mirror itself. Cover pops right in. Make sure the wire doesn't get pinched. You just hit it in. There you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit me up for any comments.